We're back with another very powerful treatment that you need to be doing consistently if you're trying to improve the overall health of your hair, improve volume or thickness, make your hair grow so much better and reduce excess breakage or hair loss. That is hot oil treatment. To prepare mine, I always work with my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. These are the ingredients that I include in my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. This is a very powerful herbal hair growth oil that I make at home and use for my hair, and I make it by combining all of these herbal ingredients into one big container, adding in some carrier oils, then allowing it to infuse for months at a time. I've had this particular one infusing for almost a year now. I combined all of these ingredients in April last year, and what I do is, as the oil runs out, because I take from it, I simply add in more carrier oil to the mixture. I don't add in more herb, and you will not believe it, but the herbs inside are enough to make more Ayurvedic oil for me, and this is what we have currently. So I simply add the oil into this applicator bottle here, and what we are going to do is we are going to place the applicator bottle with the oil inside in a cup of hot water. You don't need to put it in a pot and boil it. That put hot water into a pot and then add your applicator bottle and then bring it to a boil. Simply use hot water in a cup and just place your bottle inside that cup. It's going to gradually become hot, and if the water starts to cool down, pour out that water and add in more hot water, and do this until your oil becomes hot enough. That's just what I'm going to do here. Now, you don't have to use this Ayurvedic oil blend that I used for my hot oil treatments for your own hair. If you don't have all these herbs, you can use a simpler oil like a plant-based oil, for example avocado oil or coconut oil alone. These oils are very penetrative and they're ideal for extremely dry and porous hair. You can also use castor oil like Jamaican black castor oil, or you can use jojoba oil or even grapeseed oil or argan oil. All of these oils are great, and when you soak them in hot water in a bottle, they have amazing benefits for hair and they'll give you everything that your hair needs to grow well and to be healthy. Now, to apply the hot oil to my hair, I'm starting off by sectioning the hair all at once. I like to do it this way because it saves time. So instead of cutting out one section and then applying some oil and then cutting the next section, I already have all of my sections ready, and when I start applying the oil, it's a seamless process from start to finish. My hair is very tangled here. One thing I like about the hot oil is that it helps with the detangling process because it's warm, so the hair loosens up and stretches as well. So I'm twisting up the sections. No need to make them tight here. It's just to make everything separate, and once I am done with that, I'll go ahead and apply the hot oil to each section. One reason I love hot oil treatment, and I always encourage people to do them, is because they provide deep moisture for the hair. They're also one of the best treatment if your goal is to reduce excess breakage, excess hair loss and excess shedding. And doing a hot oil treatment consistently improves your scalp health. The warm or hot oil helps to improve blood flow circulation throughout the scalp because you combine that with a massage, and it also helps to add shine and strengthen the hair strands. Now, this heat from the hot oil helps to lift the hair cuticle, and when the hair cuticle is lifted, it's easier for oils to penetrate each of the hair strands. This is very effective for preventing dryness, brittleness, and overall eliminating split ends. So now my hot oil hot enough. It was actually pretty hot, but I tested it first before applying that to my scalp, and I actually like the sensation. Go ahead and comment below if you have attempted this treatment. If you have, I'm sure you already know how good it is. This is one treatment I'm supposed to be doing consistently, and I'm working on making sure that I do it as consistently as I should. It can get a little messy, which is the only downside, but because of how beneficial it is, I don't mind doing it at all. I mean, most of these DIY hair treatments are messy and you cannot avoid that. You just have to pick the one that you like and roll with it. Really quickly, the May cohort of my 30-day hair growth workshop is currently open for registration. If you missed the April cohort, make sure you don't miss the May cohort. Go ahead and tap the link in the description box and the pinned comment to join us. It's a very active hair growth workshop where you're going to be working working with like-minded individuals to grow your hair. So you have people who are on the same journey as you. You're not going to be working alone. And it's also a very good opportunity for those who have been wanting to work with me to grow their hair. I'll be your coach, I'll be your guide, and I'll be taking you through the entire process using the 30-day hair growth challenge ebook. I'm going to show you how to apply the hot oil using the front sections. Now I have to point out that you will need to work fast, because if you leave your oil out of the hot water, it tends to get cold as time passes. Another thing is, I didn't use any comb to comb out my hair during the entire process, although you can choose to do that. I found that finger detangling the hair worked well enough, and I was able to separate my hair and then put each section into twists. So I spent a few seconds massaging each of the sections of hair after I applied the oil, and I also spent more time separating the hair. I was careful and I took my time. When it comes to the way that you manipulate your hair, one thing I always tell people is you have to calm down, you have to take your time, you have to not be aggressive, especially when you're trying to retain length. We can get carried away and start treating our hair anyhow, and we won't even know what is happening. But at the end of a certain time period, maybe 1 month, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, you are going to see the result of all of that action on your hair. So if your goal is length retention, if your goal is to keep your hair healthy, if your goal is to reduce breakage, if your goal is to keep your hair thick, you need to be less aggressive with it. That is really the key. You can be patient all you need, but if you are not less aggressive, you may still experience things like severe breakage, because your hair will be ripping apart, the hair will be uprooted from your scalp, and you just have a lot of split ends, a lot of uneven hair, and that's not what we want here. So in another scenario, I would have put my hair into bantu knots so that the oil didn't drip so much, but today I just left the twist out so that I could also show you guys the length of the hair and also show off my volume. Since I started doing more of this hot oil treatment, my volume has improved and my length has also improved, which is part of the benefits of the hot oil treatment. Although I don't wash my hair as frequently as I used to in the past. In the past, I used to wash my hair every week without fail. Now, if I can do 2 times a month, I'm good enough. And what I want to work on next is doing the hot oil treatment as pre-poo, both of the 2 times of the week that I wash my hair. And then if I wash my hair up to 3 times in a month, I do the pre-poo, the hot oil treatment, those 3 times. And if I wash my hair every week, I do the hot oil treatment every week as well. And that's it. This is what my hair looks like after applying the oil to all of the sections. I put everything together in a bun, and then I put a plastic bag over my head for some extra heat. And after that, I just let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes only. We can definitely go for longer, but because of how much oil was dripping, I had to wash it out. And I just went ahead to wash the hair out. And because I did the hot oil as a pre-poo, there was no need to do a deep conditioner anymore. So I skipped that for today. Although if you like, you can do a deep conditioner and just finish up your wash day with moisturizing the hair and styling the hair, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up to help with the engagement. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.